understand whatever we have studied, was that really fruitful or not? Right? Let's check our knowledge now. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel with your favorite Ayushi Singhal. Here right now we are having a session with trigonometry for all my CBSE and ICSE students. So here with our third session where we will be doing a lot of questions. So whosoever has not started the trigonometry session, so you will get the link in the description box. You can go there, revise, and then you can see this session. It will be beneficial for you. So today we are not going to learn any tricks or something. Whatever we have studied, whatever tricks we have studied, we will be solving the questions based on that. Let's understand whatever we have studied, was that really fruitful or not? Right? Let's check our knowledge now. One question I gave everybody, that is, if 8 cot A is equal to 6, you have to find other trigonometric ratios. So right now I have get so many responses and I have replied them all, but now for those students who are watching me for the first time, I am solving this again. So I'll be repeating again my tricks so that they would be more familiar with this. So let's solve the question. This was the homework for everybody. Let's solve. Let's start with the same enthusiasm. Let's get back to start with our mathematics. Yeah. So I told you that we can learn our trigonometric ratios by a simple trick. So I gave two tricks. Right now I'm just reminding one trick. If you want to know the other trick, you can definitely see our previous session. So the trick was पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले. तो अब यहाँ पर I even told you that Supreme Court, you need to remember Supreme Court. So what will you get? You will get that sine reciprocal is cosec, cos reciprocal is sec, and tan reciprocal is cot. So right now, based on this only, we will be solving this question. Let's understand now what is given. I told you, whenever you have these kind of questions, what you have to do? Make a triangle. So everybody, make a triangle with me. This is your triangle where I am having A as this, B as this, and C as this. So what do I have? 8 cot A is equal to 6. Let me solve it with some other pen so that you can easily catch that. So can I write cot A is equal to 6 by 8? So what do I have cot A? If tan is equal to perpendicular upon base, so cot A is equal to base upon perpendicular. Right? तो अब सबको easy लग रहा है? Don't worry ना, if you are not able to solve, it's okay. We will solve more questions and after that you will be okay with that. You can practice a lot of questions. If there is any question you are not able to solve, you can definitely message me. You can definitely comment it in the comment section. I'll reply. Right? Don't worry, if you are not able to solve, it's okay. I'm here to teach only. Right? So let's understand again. Base is the adjacent side. So this is 6, this is 8. I told you that if you need to find the hypotenuse, so how will you find that? By the Pythagoras theorem. So you can simply have the Pythagoras theorem, that is AC is equal to square root of 8 square plus 6 square. So you will get 64 plus 36 and then you can have square root of 100. So AC will be 10. So I got the answer, this is 10. Now you know na, आपके पास सारे फॉर्मूले लिखे हैं. Now you know that what is sine A? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. That means 8 upon 10. What is cos A? 6 upon 10. What is cosec A? 10 upon 8. Sec A? 10 upon 6. And tan A? 8 upon 6. So this is something for confusing, right? आपको यहाँ पर 8 दे दिया ताकि आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओ, पर हम कंफ्यूज नहीं होंगे, वी नो एवरीथिंग, वी आर practicing this, so you may get this kind of question, but no need to worry, you already know this question, only the values will be changed. So don't worry, whatever the value is, you can definitely solve that. Let's solve more questions so that you will become more familiar with that. I'm just rubbing that so that now you yourself can remember it. If something is written in front of you, so definitely you will not be able to remember it, you will directly copy that. तो आप उसको याद नहीं रखोगे. अब ऐसे मैं मिटा दूंगी तो आप खुद उसको याद रखोगे. And I want कि whenever I'm writing a question, just take a pause, just click on my video, just stop watching it, solve it, and then answer it in the comment section. आपको सच्ची में पता चलेगा the answers you have got, is that right or wrong. If you are if you are shy that you don't want to answer it, it's okay. We can totally understand. What you can do is you can simply just check your answer. I'll solve that later, but right now you can solve that question on your own. आपका भी रीचेक हो जाएगा कि मैम ने जो सॉल्व करा है या वो जो टेक्निक मैम ने ली है वो सही है भी या नहीं. Let's solve one question. The question is, I have a triangle O, P and Q which is right angled at P. It is given that OP is equal to 7 centimeter and OP minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. We have to just find sin Q and cos Q. For your reference, just make a triangle. It is saying right angled at P. That means this is my P, this is my right triangle. They are saying OP, so hardly matters. I'm taking this as O and this as Q. I'm just deliberately taking this as Q because so that it's given a sin Q and cos Q. So it would become easy for anyone to solve. So I'm deliberately taking this, that this is my Q. So now you know that what is my sin Q? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is OP upon OQ. And what is my cos Q? PQ upon OQ. So what do I have? I have only OP. Right? What do I need to find? I need to find, first of all, this is not OP, this is OQ. So now I'm giving you 2 minutes. Just press the video, like stop the video right here and solve the question. Ek basic I have already given you. You can solve this question on your own. You can try solving it. Then I'll definitely solve it for you. No worries. Just pause my video right here. Okay. Now you can see. I'll see. Like you can pausing that. अब मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि what's the answer. Okay, the answer is what they have given. वही लेते हैं ना, हमें कुछ नहीं पता, पर हमें क्या पता है कि मैम ने बस एक पाइथागोरस थ्योरम बताई थी, that is OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. इसके अलावा कुछ पता है? नहीं, ज़ीरो. OP पता है? हाँ, OP पता है. तो OQ square is equal to 7 square plus PQ square. Right. अब और क्या पता है? और हम सिर्फ इतना कर सकते हैं कि OQ square minus PQ square is equal to 49. ये हम लिख सकते हैं. Right. That would be much easier for me. Right. Now what can I write? It is given that OQ is equal, OQ minus PQ is 1. अब ये आप लोगों के दिमाग में शायद आ रहा होगा कि हम यहाँ पर आइडेंटिटी लगा देते हैं A plus B और A minus B की, but you cannot put that identity because you have A minus B but you don't have A plus B. अगर ये होता तो ये आप डायरेक्टली सॉल्व कर सकते थे, बट अभी हमारे पास नहीं है, तो यू कांट हैव दैट आइडेंटिटी. तो इसको देखकर आप ये सॉल्व मत करना. व्हाट डू यू हैव राइट नाउ इज OQ I can write as 1 plus PQ. Yes or no? Just write it in the same way. 1 plus PQ whole square minus PQ square is equal to 49. Right? I'm solving it right here. Now what do I have? Just have the identity. Identity क्या है? A square plus B square plus 2AB. तो वो आप यहाँ पर पुट कर दो. What do you have? 1 plus PQ square plus 2PQ minus PQ square is equal to 49. तो आपका PQ और PQ कैंसिल हो गया. What you are getting? 1 plus 2PQ is equal to 49. Yes or no? Right? So now what are you getting? 2P is equal to 49 minus 1. That is 48. So PQ, it's not P, it's PQ. That means my PQ is nothing but 24 centimeter. So I have got this OQ was, OP was 7 centimeter. This PQ is 24 centimeter. So OQ is 1 plus PQ, that is 25 centimeter. So now you can find OP is 7 upon 25 and cos Q is 24 upon 25. Easy, right? I hope everybody is able to solve. So you have these are the 2 or 3 kinds of question that you might have. सारे questions आपके इसी के अराउंड रिवॉल्व करेंगे. इसके अलावा आपका कुछ नहीं आएगा. राइट आपको क्या करना है, आपको सबसे पहले जो भी गिवन होगा आपको उसका ट्रायंगल बनाना है. ट्रायंगल बनाने के बाद आपको अगर हाइपोटेन्यूज गिवन है तो ओके, नहीं गिवन है तो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम गिवन है, आप उससे सॉल्व करो और योर क्वेश्चन विल बी सॉल्व. नथिंग एल्स वुड बी देयर. आपको या तो वो डायरेक्टली इस तरह से गिवन होगा या इस फॉर्म में गिवन होगा. हाँ, दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी राइट कि वो आपको ओ क्यू प्लस पी क्यू दे देते तो आप यहाँ पर 1 माइनस पी क्यू लगा देते. तो दैट्स द सेम काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन कि तब आप कौन सा आइडेंटिटी लगा देते यहाँ पर a माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर. बट वो तो सेम टाइप का क्वेश्चन है ना. तो आई होप all the questions of this type जो हम इस तरह से याद कर सकते हैं they are done now. But still for you I'll give one question as a homework. Today we have solved 2 questions जो 2 types के questions आते हैं and 1 question definitely for your homework for your practice which we will discuss in our next session. Right? So practice बहुत ज़रूरी है ना, तो वो तो हम कर ही लेते हैं. Let's have a question. The question is in triangle A, B and C tan A is equal to 1 upon root 3. So you have to just find sin A cos C minus cos A sin C. Justice. आपको सिर्फ ये फाइंड करना है. इट्स सो ईजी. आप इसको सॉल्व करके देखो. वील डेफिनेटली डू दैट. हिंट, मैं एक हिंट दूंगी आपको. हिंट मैं देना चाहती हूँ कि आपके पास एक ऐसा ट्रायंगल है ए बी एंड सी. एक बार उन्होंने ए दिया है और एक बार उन्होंने सी दिया है. तो जो मैंने आपको फर्स्ट सेशन में रेफरेंस एंगल समझाया था वो वाला आप कंसेप्ट यूज़ करना. बाकी एवरीथिंग इज सेम. कोई परेशानी नहीं है. आई बिलीव माई स्टूडेंट्स दे विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व इट. इवन इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व इट, डेफिनेटली आई एम हेयर. यू कैन राइट इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन दैट यू वांट मी टू सॉल्व मोर एंड मोर क्वेश्चंस. आई डेफिनेटली मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो एंड आई विल डू मोर क्वेश्चंस लाइक दिस. तो आपका और ज़्यादा ईजी हो जाएगा. Right? So that's all. Try this. Use this hint. Use the reference angle. I hope definitely you will be able to do that. So that's all for today. But be there in our next session because in the next session I'll again tell you some particular tricks to remember the values also. तो अगर आपको वो trick जाननी है तो be with me in our next session. That's all for today. Bye. But yeah, before saying bye, subscribe our channel, do like, comment and share, and yes, share as much as possible. You can also book a trial class with us if you want to have more questions, notes of the different subjects. Book a free trial class with us and I hope you can enjoy that. Till then, don't forget to subscribe our channel. We'll meet at the same time in our next session. Bye.